Breaking bad habits can be challenging, but with determination, self-awareness, and consistent effort, you can overcome them. Today I will share with you a step-by-step guide to help you break bad habits. Step number 1, identify the habit. The first step is to recognize the specific habit you want to break. Be clear about what the habit is and understand its negative impact on your life. Step number 2, understand the triggers. Pay attention to the situations, emotions, or thoughts that trigger the habit. Understanding the triggers can help you avoid or manage them better. Step number 3, set clear goals. Define your reasons for breaking the habit and set achievable and realistic goals. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. Step number 4, replace the habit. It's easier to break a habit if you replace it with a healthier or positive one. For example, if you're trying to quit smoking, you could replace it with chewing gum or practicing deep breathing when you feel the urge to smoke. Step number 5, create a supportive environment. Surround yourself with people who support your efforts to break the bad habit. Inform your friends and family about your goals so that they can encourage and hold you accountable. Step number 6, use positive reinforcement. Reward yourself for progress made in breaking the bad habit. Positive reinforcement can help motivate you to continue your efforts. Step number 7, visualize success. Imagine yourself without the bad habit and focus on the positive outcomes of breaking it. Visualization can strengthen your commitment and determination. Step number 8, practice mindfulness. Mindfulness techniques can help you become more aware of your actions and thoughts. This makes it easier to resist the urge to indulge in the bad habit. Step number 9, track your progress. Keep a record of your efforts and achievements. Regularly review your progress. Celebrate your successes and learn from any setbacks. Step number 10, stay persistent and patient. Breaking a bad habit takes time, and setbacks are normal. Don't be too hard on yourself if you slip up occasionally. The key is to stay persistent and continue working towards your goal. So these are the 10 steps you can take to break down any habit. Remember that breaking a bad habit is a journey that requires effort and commitment. Be kind to yourself and stay focused on the positive changes you are making in your life. Over time, with consistency, you can successfully break the bad habit and replace it with healthier behaviors. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more interesting content. Until next time, take care, goodbye.